Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write new software or update your iPhone 5, or of course remove the pin or pattern if you have some on your device. For this operation you have to get your USB cable, plug it in your computer. You should download the latest software from the Apple. It's named iTunes, and we're gonna start this operation right now. So for the first, you should turn off your device. After that, press and hold home button here and plug in the cable which is plugged in into your laptop. Plug it in, keep holding home button until you're gonna see the recovery menu. Right now you hear the beep from my laptop, so I'm gonna take the camera off and show you what we see here on the iTunes. As you see, so there is information about restore your Apple or actualization. So we're gonna try to restore and actualization. Next, accept. And for now it's all about it, because your iTunes is gonna download the latest firmware for your iPhone. As you see, after that, when it download, it's gonna be right to your phone, yeah. And this process is automatically, so you shouldn't do nothing here. Just wait until your phone gonna get the new software, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.